Welcome everybody. Today we've got the last of the Omnibots, Downshift, Toyota Celica Supra. His secondary form was to flip down the doors and then pop up his roof-mounted cannon, evidently it had, you can mount his other weaponry on the side, and he'd be able to drive and have it out in fighting mode. But otherwise, it flipped the gull wings, or the reverse gull wings, I guess, all the way back. And let's see, pop his arms out. And his the hood is especially loose, especially on this one, but they're not broken or anything. That's just they got that much slack in them. They don't really lock in place very well, but oh yeah, it extends. I think no, I guess it doesn't extend. Oh yeah, it does extend some. Get the doors out of the way. There's his final form. Once again, smaller scale than regular GoBots, but not tiny, and fairly playable. Got pretty posable arms, and sort of, like I say, these hood panels really are sort of flip and flop a lot. And he actually does roll. His wheels are down there where he can roll. He's balanced enough where he doesn't need the extra heels that the camshaft needed. But yeah, that's I say for if you this is the first one you're watching, these were mail-in Transformers. They collect. It was 2 or 4 robot points and then $5. I've already forgotten how many. I looked it up earlier this week. I keep forgetting how many robot points it was, but it was $5 on the cash front. And back into Celica form, which is her Supra. I guess this age it was a Celica / Supra, but yeah. Like I say, good solid Transformer, fun, well worth the 4 to 6 weeks I had to wait to get him. But anyways, thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.